Do you want to earn up to $10 per week on this platform, or $4 per referral, or $1 per day? Now this video is for you. So this platform is called Boomlive, and it's a platform by Boomplay. You all know Boomplay, so this platform is going to pay because Boomplay is a reliable song music playing platform. So first of all, you click on the link in the description box of the video to get over to Boomplay. Right, then over here you'll be asked, you click on download immediately. Now as of me, I have downloaded the app, so you'll be taken to Play Store to download the app. If not Play Store, Apple Store. Okay, so you see this small hotspot icon, click on it, or something like hotspot. Now click on login using another way. Please, before you also do this, ensure you have deleted Boomplay app. You have deleted it before installing Boomlive, okay? Because if not, this method do not work. So then you click on Gmail account, then log in with your Gmail. Now when you log in with your Gmail, and I'll select my Gmail account, I already have an account, so you'll be taken to this kind of page where you put in your username, gender and age. Okay, so you just put in your details like that. Alright, so once you have put in your details, you click on that same icon as before, then click on video, then click on please authenticate first, upload, and click on apply and upload an image of yourself. Once you have uploaded a picture of yourself, click on start to authenticate. Make sure it uploads first. So once you're in this situation, please click on start verification. Then you follow the details as it says, okay? Just give it to people, shake your head. If it shows you that error, just try and do it till you get what you want, okay? Alright guys, so as you can see, it's been successful. Click on next. Like, I'm so happy that it's successful. I've been doing this since yesterday. Alright, so once it's next, you can see application success. Now I can just go back. This is how to now connect, how to join, create your own live. Okay, so first of all, you click on this icon, then please ensure to step something to cover your back camera. As you can see, mine, I stepped something to cover it because you'll be going live so that people will not see you if you want to go faceless. But if you want to talk out, then you can actually remove it. So you just click on go live. Alright, so as you are at this point, you just click on go live. Just give it a moment. In case if it shows you any error while going live, then just flip the camera, okay? But now as you can see, I've officially gone live. So now that I've gone live, I'll just have to do it like this. Then now that I'm in the background, the app will keep on going. You can keep on opening the app every 30 minutes if you want to, but regardless, it's still going to work like that. Alright, so as you can see, I'm on my live room and I've been doing the live before, so you can see that it's actually working. Alright, so you can just join your live, continue, but please do not forget to put something to cover your camera. I see mine, I put something to cover my camera. Always put something to cover your camera. There's a reason why I say that, because if not, your camera will be showing and every activity you do on your day will be showing, as you can see. Because if I remove this thing I use it to cover it now, people will see everything, though there's nobody watching the live, is only me. But who knows, your live, somebody can actually click on it to watch. It's possible, okay? So that's how to do your live. Now that if you have, now this next step I'm going is for people that have completed their daily 2 hours. So first of all, you go back, you click on this your icon place up here, then you click on host growth, and you see here, then click on Once you have completed the task, it will show you completed, then you have to click on it to collect your $0.5. all right, then the next task will continue. If you continue to continue straight off, and that's how you earn. All right, so if you refer people, then you go over to invitation rewards, so you can see your list of referral. You can click on invite friends and copy your link to share to your friends. All right, you can share this video tutorial with your link if you want to, because this video tutorial is very straightforward. All right, so I guess we have reached the end of this video. Please, thank you for watching this video. If you like to see more videos, just hit on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on the notification bell to get notified when we upload new content like this. Our also group is in the description box, so please you can go ahead and join that group. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Goodbye. The link to this platform is in the description box, so you can also decide to join it too. But please start the update now, because it is early now. We are very early on this update before you hear that they're not giving 0.1 per hour. Okay, all right.